Hello everyone and welcome along to Watercolour Wednesday. So I'm not going to put a background like that's in the photo reference. I just put a message out about using salt. So if you haven't got some and you're painting live, go grab some table salt. We're going to have some icy fun in the background. So I'm going to focus on the penguins and then do my kind of little bit of blue behind with some sparkles in. That's the plan. So this is a photo, there's the drawing sketched out. Now, whilst you're finding your salt, I'm just going to run through, I'm using the primary colours again, Hansa yellow, magenta and phthalo blue. I will be using Friends Grey. If you haven't got Friends Grey, you can mix it with your primary colours. So mix yourself a purple first with your blue and red, mainly blue, and then add a little bit of yellow and you'll have your grey. I'll be using my size 6 and size 12 brush. You never know. I've got my cup of coffee, I've got my paints, brushes, water and tissue. So let's make a start. And we're going to start with the dark areas of the penguins. Okay, so we're going to start with the grey. And you know how I like to do a lot of wet into wet. We're not going to do that. For majority of the penguins, we're going to work wet onto dry so that we maintain control. And then we're going to do some lifting out techniques as well.